Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Rebel 500 ABS. This lightweight twin-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 1,730 miles. Beautiful satin blue paint finish, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got a really cool upgraded Mustang saddle. Looks really comfortable. Beautiful condition. Come on by and make your Rebel 500 with ABS dreams come true for just $62.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.